Hey guys, it's me Elena. Did you miss me? I finally received my Phantom Rabbit Minifee Luha by Korean BJD company Fairyland, which I ordered in October. I love vampire dolls, so I couldn't contain myself when Fairyland announced this dark lady. An additional Halloween event head with cute fangs biting her lip. Even she is not a vampire according to the company, that is how I see her. After having a few big dolls, her box feels so tiny. It is of a dark olive color and has very beautiful decorations with elf heads and different swirls all around. Here also we see that the doll was made in Korea. Oops. Actually, this box is one of the prettiest I've ever seen. Well, what else we could expect from a company with the name Fairyland? It is very unusual to me, but there was also another box with all the accessories. This box is nothing special, just a usual cardboard box with black and white photos of the doll glued on top. The doll comes with two different heads. One of them is a sleeping head. I ordered all additional heads without a face-up to try to do it myself. I love that Fairyland gives an opportunity to have your doll with a sleeping head. It's really great for photoshoots to have different options. Inside the head we see magnets which I needed to attach her ears. She is a Phantom Rabbit after all. There is also an engraved mold with the name Luha S is for sleeping head version. Another head is a Halloween event head. Here we can see her vampire nature, little fangs biting her lip. As soon as I saw this head, I knew I needed this doll in my vampire doll collection. Inside we see an engraving of the release year 2020 and something in Korean. There is also a long wavy white wig. It is fluffy like a cloud. One thing I didn't notice on promo photos is that underneath this wig is pink. I like this detail, it makes this wig more unique. The wig has uneven bangs. The cap is light brown. Next is her beautiful shoes. Usually Fairyland does some crazy looking shoes with creative soles, but these are pretty simple but they are standards. They are made from a wine color faux leather with a light color stitching. They have a black sole with a high heel. The sole even has some pattern underneath. On the doll's feet they are fastened with long ribbons, which reminds me of a ballet shoes. Inside is a Fairyland written in silver. And here they are, her Phantom Rabbit ears. As I want her to be a vampire, I might start to call them a bat ears. They are made from a semi-transparent grey resin and also not painted, so I can do it myself. They have various beautiful ornaments all around. Corners are shredded, creating a phantom effect, like they are made of smoke. They are easily attached to any of her heads thanks to magnets. First part of her interesting outfit is this corset. It is of a beige color and has various laces attached to it. On top is grey lace, but there are also a lot of different beautiful beige and white laces. On the bottom there is a burgundy flower looking fabric attached. It matches her shoes and connects the outfit together. Near the flower is a little round metallic element with letter KGR. I wonder what it means. If you know, please let me know what it means in the comments down below. On the sides there are also long net and gauze fabric pieces. Asymmetrically attached black long bows also made a nice addition to the outfit piece. On the wrong side everything is also very carefully sewn together. Main part of her outfit is a grey net dress. It's very simple piece which is gathered around her chest, has a long skirt behind and a short gathered part on the front. It is fastened behind with two metallic snaps. Now let's move to the black skirt. On top it has elastic to which fabric is attached. Two grey net pieces with flower pattern, big black net piece with attached to it from the inside net ruffles, and two short grey with some golden threads pieces. I thought it's interesting that everything is attached and creates volume from the inside. She also has black net sleeves with black laces on top, little black choker with beige laces and tiny cameo. It is so little! I never seen them this size. This choker also fastens with a metallic snap. Here also we have a long black ribbon to fasten the doll's corset. And the last but not least, super lacy pantaloons. They're a little bit stretchy, so it won't be a problem to put them on a doll easily. On the front there is a little flower. They're incredibly cute and also look very well made. First thing we see when opening the main box is a big green booklet for Minifee dolls. There is also various information about the doll's possibility, measurements, and changing the doll's head's instructions. It's always nice to have such booklet, especially when you are new to the hobby. Another one is a yellow certificate of authenticity. It has a serial number which is needed to receive an aftercare service. Also it proves that this doll is a legit, so if you buy a second-hand Fairyland doll, always ask for a certificate. This is a friendly reminder to subscribe to my channel. I'm always trying to make very detailed doll unboxing videos. This is for you. Oh my god, I couldn't be quiet about this face-up protection mask. It is the first time I have seen one that is not just plain, but actually has a company's logo on it. Isn't it awesome? With the doll I also got high heel feet, which I definitely will use to wear her shoes. And additional long nails hands. I also thought they were unique for this doll and perfectly fit my vampire plans. Both feet and hands are magnetic, so it's extremely easy to change them without dealing with hooks, as it is with Volk's dolls, for example. However, it also adds to fragility. You need to be careful not to lose them during photoshoots. Finally, here she is! I got her in a white skin color. The main head comes with a stunning face-up by default. I even got upset that I didn't order it for the other two heads for a second. It has a very gently painted eyebrows and eyelashes. Attached eyelashes are of a brown color. Her mouth is slightly open, so her teeth are visible. Besides usual blush, she also has some blue shades painted on her face, creating a more realistic look. On her face there is also a light layer of shimmer, which is really pretty in person and so hard to get on camera.
Beautiful. This is the skin of a killer doll.
With the doll I also ordered those beautiful Oscar eyes. They are of a pink color and contain a lot of sparkly crystals inside. They make the doll look unusual, like from another world. Inside those eyes attached with a convenient putty, which I personally prefer to the Volk's hot glue method. Her body is very slender and flexible. She is 36.5 centimeters tall, and usually dolls of this size are more childish in appearance, but this one looks like an adult. She has curved legs, which are considered cute in Asia. I'm very happy to this addition to my doll family. She is my little dark vampire and I enjoy her size very much. What do you think about her? Do you own or plan to own any dolls by Fairyland company? I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please subscribe and press the bell button not to miss any doll related videos. Love dolls and Kon-Kon!